Monday morning fabrics, and just absolutely stunning. We're going to start with a linen, 100% linen. These are all $19.99, and just hold on to your socks. You're going to just not believe what's here. Linen, beautiful, beautiful linen. You could do for pants, you could just do for anything. It's very lightweight. It's more of a shirt weight, but you could still do pants. It's just really beautiful. The brown color is just lovely. I put it in here. These are all Veronica beard. This is a window pane. It's called a window pane. Check. It is a cream milk color. And then of course there's a brown. It's a brown that goes through it. Beautiful combinations with these. And then also I put with a darker brown. They both look fabulous with this. Again, Veronica beard. This is 100% silk. For those of you who know what a 4-ply silk is, this is it. And it is stunning and should really be, I mean, it's just unbelievable that this fabric is at this price. So hopefully you can take advantage of it. You could do a pant, a top. The window pane goes beautifully with it. I also put in this, this is a cream color. It's not the yellowy of this background. It is more of a milk. Well, it matches this window pane is what it is. It's maybe close to a white. Again, not with this one, but this is 100% viscose. It's a beautiful draped fabric. I'll put my hand behind there so you can see there's a little bit of see-through, not much at all. You could easily do a blouse with it. This is, again, 100% viscose, and it's a woven. Gorgeous, but it matches beautifully, perfectly to this window pane, which is a navy white, and you can see the combination is just stunning. This window pane, again, this is a viscose poly is what this is. It is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction, same as this one. I may not have said that. I just get too excited about the fabrics. And then it beautifully blends with this navy print. This is 100% viscose, gorgeous body, gorgeous drape, just really beautiful. Simple little blouse worn with jeans, a dress, all of it would work fabulously. So I'm really proud to bring you these fabrics, $19.99 today. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.